Have you ever wondered how you can earn money from InboxDollars? Well, let me tell you, it's not just possible, it's also incredibly fun and rewarding. InboxDollars is a well-established platform that pays you for doing everyday online activities. Imagine getting paid to watch videos, play games, shop online, or even take surveys. It's like turning your leisure time into a money-making venture, all from the comfort of your own home. You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But truth be told, millions of users have already tapped into this goldmine and are reaping the benefits. InboxDollars has been around for more than 2 decades, making it a reliable and trustworthy platform. So, whether you're looking to supplement your income or simply want to earn some extra cash in your spare time, InboxDollars is the way to go. So, are you eager to get started? Let's dive right into how you can make money on InboxDollars. The first step to earning money on InboxDollars is quite straightforward: signing up. Begin by navigating to the InboxDollars website. You'll be greeted by a sign-up page, inviting you to join the community of online earners. Type in your email and choose a secure password. It's as simple as that. Now, the best part about this sign-up process is that it's entirely free. Yes, you heard it right. You don't have to spend a penny to start earning. The icing on the cake? InboxDollars rewards you with a $5 bonus just for signing up. Quite a warm welcome, don't you think? Once you've completed the sign-up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link in that email to verify your account. And voila, you're now an official member of the InboxDollars community. Now that you're all set up, let's explore the various ways you can earn money on this platform. One of the most popular ways to earn on InboxDollars is by taking surveys. Surveys are a staple in the world of online earning, and InboxDollars is no exception. They're an excellent way for companies to gather consumer insights and for you, the user, to make some cash in the process. You don't need any special skills or qualifications to get started. All you have to do is share your honest opinions. Now, how often are these surveys available, you ask? Well, it varies. Some days you might find a handful of surveys in your inbox, other days, not so many. But the key is to keep checking back. New surveys are added regularly, and the early bird often gets the worm. Surveys typically take anywhere from 5 to 25 minutes to complete. And yes, the longer the survey, the higher the pay. You can expect to earn anywhere from a few cents to a couple of dollars per survey. The compensation might not seem like much, but remember, every little bit adds up. But here's a pro tip. To make the most of your time, be sure to fill out the survey profiles. These profiles help InboxDollars understand more about you, your interests, and your consumer habits. The more complete your profile, the more targeted the surveys you'll receive. And the more targeted the surveys, the quicker and easier they are to complete, boosting your earning potential. So if you're someone who enjoys sharing their thoughts and opinions, taking surveys can be a fun and easy way to earn. You're not only making money, but you're also contributing to the development of products and services that could make a difference in people's lives. In conclusion, while taking surveys might require a bit of your time, they provide an uncomplicated way to add some extra cash to your pocket. It's all about consistency and honesty. Keep at it, and you'll see your earnings grow over time. Taking surveys might be time-consuming, but it's a straightforward way to earn money on InboxDollars. Did you know that you could get paid just for watching videos or TV on InboxDollars? That's right. This platform offers you the opportunity to earn cash simply by consuming content. It's like turning your leisure time into a money-making venture. Let's dive into how this works. InboxDollars has an entire section dedicated to videos and TV. Here you'll find a variety of content, from short clips to full-length episodes. The content varies greatly, encompassing everything from cooking shows and entertainment news to health tips and technology updates. There's bound to be something that piques your interest. Now you may be wondering, how do I earn from this? Well, it's pretty straightforward. For each video you watch, you'll earn a specific amount of money. This amount depends on the length and type of video. Shorter videos usually offer smaller rewards, while longer ones or those from certain categories might give you a bit more. It's important to note that you won't become a millionaire overnight from watching videos. The earnings are modest, but they add up over time. Plus, you're getting paid for something you'd probably do for free anyway. One tip to maximize your earnings is to keep an eye out for bonus offers. Occasionally, InboxDollars provides bonus opportunities where you can earn extra money for watching a certain number of videos within a specified time frame. Remember, every little bit counts. If you're already spending time watching videos online, why not get paid for it? It's a great way to make your downtime more productive. InboxDollars makes it easy to track your earnings. They have a progress bar that shows how much you've earned and how close you are to cashing out. Each time you watch a video, you can see your earnings increase in real time. It's a satisfying and rewarding experience. Watching videos might not make you rich, but it's definitely an easy and entertaining way to earn some extra cash. Don't let your screen time go to waste. Instead, turn it into a fruitful endeavor with InboxDollars. Surveys and videos aren't the only ways to earn money on InboxDollars. Let's delve into a world of opportunity where every click can turn into cash. Yes, you heard right. There are even more ways to boost your earnings on this platform. Imagine playing games and getting paid for it. Sounds like a dream, right? But with InboxDollars, it's reality. The platform features a variety of games from puzzles to action games, and you can make money while having fun. Whether you're a fan of word games or card games, there's something for everyone. So, why not turn your downtime into dollar signs? Now let's talk about shopping. We all shop online, whether it's for groceries, clothes, or the latest gadgets. But what if you could earn cash back on your online purchases? With InboxDollars, you can. They've partnered with some of the most popular online retailers to offer you cash back on your purchases. So the next time you're thinking of buying something online, remember to do it through InboxDollars and watch your earnings grow. Another unique feature of InboxDollars is that you can get paid to read emails. Yes, you heard that right. The platform sends out paid emails to its members regularly. These emails often contain offers from advertisers. By simply opening and reading these emails, you can earn money. It's as simple as that. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about the referral program. You can earn 10% of your referred friend's earnings. That means if you refer a friend who earns $100, you get $10. It's a great way to boost your earnings while helping your friends to earn as well. With so many ways to earn, it's easy to see why InboxDollars is such a popular platform for online earners. So, you've put in the work and earned some money. Now how do you get your hands on it? Well, it's simpler than you might think. When it comes to cashing out your earnings on InboxDollars, there are a few key things you need to know. First off, you'll need to have at least $30 in your account to cash out. Yes, that's right, the minimum cash out amount is $30. Once you've reached that threshold, you've got a few different options for how you'd like to receive your payment. You can opt for a check in the mail, a prepaid Visa card, or an eGift card from popular retailers like Amazon. After you've chosen your preferred payment method, be prepared to wait a bit. It can take up to 2 weeks to receive your payment, but rest assured, it will arrive. And there you have it, you're now ready to start earning money on InboxDollars. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We started our journey to making money with InboxDollars by signing up, a straightforward process that can be done in a matter of minutes. We then dived into the world of taking surveys, where sharing your opinion can lead to earnings. Next, we explored the fun and engaging method of watching videos and TV, turning leisure time into a money-making opportunity. We didn't stop there though. We also discovered other innovative ways to earn, such as playing games, using coupons, and even reading emails. Finally, we discussed the all-important topic of cashing out your earnings. Whether you prefer a check, gift cards, or a PayPal transfer, InboxDollars has you covered. So, in a nutshell, we've equipped you with the knowledge you need to navigate InboxDollars and start earning money. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for InboxDollars today and start earning money from the comfort of your own home.